Well, guys, here it is. Finally doing it. Finally got time and money. Just kidding. Today, I'm doing the pressure solenoid on the big old Dodge 2500 V10 8.0 liter. And here's the big old motor. And it's a Magnum. Just like the 5.9, the beast. I love this truck. It's been running a lot better lately. Got a few things coming for it. I'll be making a video here soon about that car. Got a couple things for it. But right now, I got a couple things coming in for this, but I'm waiting for them. But this is what I got so far, what to do. So, today we will learn if I'm either rebuilding the transmission or making sure this is just it, pretty much. So, I got the battery disconnected and all that. And damn, I forgot to put one of those in there. Or did it fall out? Yeah. It's not still. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and redo that. I just got done doing that. But as we go under here, got this at Amazon, $30. If you're a Prime member, you get free shipping. Don't forget that. Gotta get that free shipping, y'all. Okay, so there's transfer case. So where are we at over here? Man, we have a lot of ways to go over there. I came back too far. We're gonna need these for candy fluid when it comes out. It's gonna come out all fast and nasty. There we go. Here we are. Debating if I wanna get a new transmission fluid cover. Well, yeah, because this one, as you see, has no cap where you can drain it, so pretty much you're just gonna get soaked, showered in it as you do it. So we got a lot of bolts to take off, so let's get all this done and get to it. I really honestly hope it's just a sensor, so there's I don't gotta rebuild the transmission, but if I have to, I have to. The motor only has 124,000 miles, so that's good. Mile wise, everything else looks just dirty and nasty. I haven't had time to clean this damn thing up. Been busy with the beast. Yeah, like I said, still got things to do. Need to cut that off. Well, it's broke right there. Couldn't get the strap behind it. If you see it right there. Yeah. Where's my finger? There. So, yeah, I'm gonna cut that off because the bolt is rounded. So, rounded it out somehow. It is old, rusty. So, cut it off with the zoom out along with the 4-foot muffler. Let's see how this V10 really sounds. But I'm gonna get to doing this and I'll be back to it.